lights. Yeah. Cut off the lights. Yeah. I perform better at night. I've been outside with the mice. Yeah. Eating that chicken and rice. Right. While it was filled with the mites. Okay. Now it's an infinite price. If they wasn't living your life, then they shouldn't give you advice. How can we honor your words? Yeah. If we see you missing your stripes, we get it. You've been in the game for a minute, but it's time to kick it. We know that you finished. The future is coming. Let's stick to the mission and aim for the target with deadly precision. We pissing them off and pitching the victims. Yeah, we call them victims cause they're demolition. I'm changing the rules and breaking tradition and making, cause nobody making a difference. I see it. Nobody gonna go hard for me like I go for me. That's why I gotta take mine, try to get milestones for me. I'm ready for it all, say the word and it's up on sight.